All, welcome back to our new session. In this session I am going to explain about functional area. Define and create a functional area. First of all, what is meant by functional area? In a company there will be multiple departments like sales department, accounts department, HR department, production department. Okay, each and every department can be called as a functional area, so that we can do the transactions for each and every department for particular department. Like for example, in a company there will be a transaction done for the HR department, and there will be a transaction done for the sales department. If we create only one functional area for the both of the departments, then we cannot trace out the transaction, for which department the transaction has been done, like for the debit or credit. So we should create a functional area for each and every department, so that it would be easy for tracing out the transactions done for the each department. Okay, for this we need to use the transaction code fm underscore function. Let's go to the SAP PC access screen. Let's give fm underscore function, hit enter. As I said, functional area is not already created. Okay, functional area should be created as per the client requirement. If client has given any other functional area codes for all the departments, then we should give the certain codes for tracing out and for doing the transactions for the concerned departments. Okay, if not, this is a demo server, so I am giving my own functional area codes for my remembrance. Okay, normally I have given 10010 as a functional area code. In the bottom you could observe functional area 10010 does not exist. Yes, it will not be exist. We have to choose the number which is not already existed. Okay, then we need to click on create functional area, and the remaining page will be popped up. In the functional area text, I am going to give HR department for ABCD. Okay, from the valid date you need to give, as of now the date is 09/03/2025. you should give dot here. Okay, if you give hyphen, then automatically it will show an error. For example, I will show you. Hit enter. See, in the bottom you should the pop this is an error. Here you could see all the errors and the transaction which are successful, everything. Okay, enter date in the format. Here they have given the dots. Now I would remove this. I would give 09/03/2025, and I am giving it for 1 year. Okay, and after giving this, for example, I have given this department 1 year, so it is not there will not be any particular date that we should give. You need to give the client. If the client wants to give it for 1 year, then you can give it for 1 year. If he wants to give for 6 months, then you can give for the six months. You got the point? It's as per the client's requirement. If you want to verify whether you have given the correct or not, hit enter. See, now the error has been gone, and now you need to click on the validate. Then here you can see the data on current screen is correct. The data which I have entered is correct for this functional area. Now I am clicking on the save. Functional area 10010 has been saved for HR department. Likewise, let's create 120. Let's create. We did not find any matches for 120. Okay, I am creating this functional area for sales department for ABCDE company. Okay, I am giving the same date 03/2025. Hit enter. Press on the next tab. Give 08.03.2026 hit enter 08.03.2026, hit enter, click on the validate. The data which we have given is correct, so I am going to save this. Okay, and I am giving another functional area. I am creating the another functional area. HR department has been completed, sales department has been completed, production department, let's give production department for A B C D E company, and the same date I am giving. I am clicking on the validate. The data which we have given is correct. And one more thing I forgot to say, I'm sorry, for about this authorization group I will discuss in my further videos, in the upcoming videos. There is a separate topic, this is a separate topic. Okay, and the change log, like here automatically after saving this functional area, after creating this functional area, it would give my username, the username which has been created by, and if there is any changes, changed by the username, and entered on the date, changed on the date, and entered at the time, and changed at the time. That is what. Okay, I now click on the save button. Here you could see functional area 10030 has been saved. Okay, I hope you guys understand this functional area concept. I have given you 3 examples, and I have shown you the 3 kind of departments for creation of 3 kind of departments. So I would like to tell you to create multiple departments and to create multiple functional area codes in order to get hands-on experience. Okay, in each and every topic you should get full-fledged hands-on experience, so that it would make you easy to crack the interview and to perform well in the job. Okay, if you guys like my explanation, you could give me a like to this video, and you could share this video to your friends who are searching for Sap Fico course, and you can subscribe my videos for more upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a great day.